Each summer, the Northwest Climate Science Center brings together graduate students and early career professionals for a week-long climate boot camp. This next generation of scientists and resource managers witness firsthand the power of agencies, tribes, and local communities working together to address climate change.
My name is Ryan Niemeyer. I'm a graduate student at University of Idaho.
I'm Anne Marie, and I am a master's student at Boise State.
I'm Eric Salate. I am an associate professor at the University of Washington Bothell.
My name's Shayna Hirsch, and I'm from the University of Idaho.
In boot camp, what students are learning actually is what most of us in the field have taken 25, 30 years to learn, and try to compress that into a one-week experience.
I had a fairly solid understanding of the physical effects of climate change and how those are going to play out, but I was really missing important things like how to talk about climate change, how is climate change important, not only in academic settings, but in management settings and for people who are making decisions.
I can see a real need for a kind of shift in paradigm and a new production of knowledge that's more focused in order to deal with with climate change.
I was really interested in just seeing how people in the Pacific Northwest in a diversity of roles are dealing with climate change, addressing climate change, and responding to climate change.
One of the things I gained from the boot camp was just a lot of great interactions with early career graduate students who are doing interesting work and seeing what they're doing, but also early career professionals.
I think what is unique here is that we have students, a huge diversity. We have social scientists, we have physical scientists, we have biological scientists, we have people from the tribes.
It was just very inspiring to be able to interact with like-minded students, professionals, and professors from the sponsoring universities, and just to hear, kind of their personal stories and why they're worried about climate change and how they're incorporating it into their work.
It's great to get mentorship from both scientists and managers who are maybe a little bit further down the pathway, to get increased knowledge about climate change, especially because it's so important to what we all do.
The most exciting thing about doing this is the energy, the passion, the interest, the diversity of the students that are involved.
You're going to make connections with people that you're going to keep for the rest of your career, and they're going to be very valuable connections.
So I think, just that networking and that additional knowledge and just kind of really helps kind of shoot your, kind of accelerate your career forward.
It will really push my career in a stronger direction where I'm actually able to do some work that's going to be helpful, valuable, and applicable.